Hello everyone and welcome back to Scandinavian Design 101. I'm Sanna.
I'm Andreas and we are two Swedes and we love design.
And today we are once again talking about IKEA, Sweden's biggest pride.
Yeah.
There are 474 IKEA stores around the world, and in 2020 the IKEA brand was valued to approximately $19 billion. Oh. And why am I telling you this? Well, the main reason for IKEA's enormous popularity is their low prices.
Yeah.
And you've all seen the title of this video. Today we're going to tell you the reasons why IKEA can sell their furniture so friggin' cheap.
Yeah. And on their website, IKEA describes that our vision is to create a better everyday life for the many people. So keeping the prices low is IKEA's core philosophy to make their furniture accessible for everyone. And they also describe how they're achieving this goal with the concept of democratic design, the core of each and every product. There's 5 dimensions to this concept, and they are function, form, quality, sustainability, and low price. And they say when there's a balance of all 5, we consider the design democratic.
Yeah. We are going to focus on the low price, and here are some of the reasons IKEA products are so affordable. First off is the price tag is decided first. Yes, it's true. IKEA first decide the price tag of a product, and then the designers and suppliers work together to make sure the finished product fit that price tag. I had never heard about this before I researched this episode, but really, it's logical, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really logical. More people should do that if they don't already.
No, I'm not sure. Perhaps they do. It's just that we don't understand
but I
it.
think it's very logical and clever.
Yeah. And then, of course, bulk production. IKEA never produces just a few pieces. No, they produce in hundreds or thousands, of course. And this allows the company to receive discounts from producers and sub-suppliers, and the cost can be kept down. So the popular products with high demand that are produced in huge volumes can therefore have a lower price. That's also good because the big sellers, then they are popular and then they are sold for less money. And then,
it's good.
Good.
And also the flat packs.
Yeah.
Yes, the flat packs efficiently lower IKEA's transportation, storage, and assembly costs. With the flat packs, each store can hold more products and therefore sell more products. And the self-assembly allows IKEA to remove the costs associated with assembling the furniture. Another benefit of the flat packs is reduced damage rates, meaning IKEA spend less on replacement products. So there are many saving benefits of the flat packs. And it's said that the IKEA designer Lönngren sparked the idea when he was tasked to deliver a table to a photo shoot. The table didn't fit in his car, so he said, why not take off the legs? Yeah. Lönngren did not invent the flat pack, but he's the one who applied it to IKEA's range, and it has ever since been a cornerstone of their business model.
Yeah.
And a money saver.
Yeah. And then, of course, we have the cheap materials. Many IKEA furniture are made from a material called board-on-frame construction. And this construction uses layers of sheets of wood over a honeycombed structure of paper, I think, or something like that.
You'll see.
Yeah. Such a construction gives the furniture a durable and yet lightweight structure, and of course it's also cost-effective. And another material often used in IKEA furniture is particle board. And that's board consisting of wood chips and sawdust pressed and glued together. Also very cost efficient. And we will now show you the inside of one of IKEA's best sellers, the luck table, as you can see for yourself what we are talking about. Yeah.
Next reason is minimal staff presence in stores. Instead of having large quantities of staff, IKEA have many digital stations to assist the shoppers, and they also have lots of information directly on the price tag of the products. IKEA also have the self-service checkouts to keep down the number of employees.
That's very clever, of course.
It is. And the next one is they have very cheap meals at the food hall. IKEA sell their food so cheap that it sometimes is a loss for them. But it's worth it for the customer satisfaction. Cheap food significantly boosts sales.
Yeah.
People with full stomachs are happier and tend to spend more, I guess.
Yeah.
I know I am.
Yeah, I think they do.
Some people even visit IKEA just to eat because it's so cheap.
Yeah.
Great as well.
Yeah, of course.
They're smart.
Yeah. And finally, we must also mention salaries and production in developing countries like India and Bangladesh. According to research made by the social rights organization CorpWatch, the developing countries' share in IKEA's manufacturing activities has grown significantly in recent years. Poverty and poor working conditions have been reported among people working for IKEA sub-suppliers, not least in Asia. An Indian worker they met earned $38 a month, working 6 days a week. But to be fair, this is not something unique for just IKEA. Even well-known and expensive companies like Arabia and Rörstrand produces their Scandinavian design classics in Asia. So yeah that's the way it is nowadays.
I guess.
Yeah, but it's a sad story.
Now that we've established how their prices can be so low, we're going to mention some disadvantages to this.
Yeah.
Because there are some. The first one, it's too cheap to resist. Most people come out from IKEA having bought way more than they planned to, thus buying stuff they don't need. When the stuff you need is gathered at one place with the stuff you don't need, and it's super cheap, it's almost impossible to not buy more than you planned to.
Yeah.
And that is bad for your wallet and not environmentally friendly.
No. The furniture made from this particle board and the board on frame structure we talked about earlier is not gonna last forever and cannot be repaired or restored like wooden furniture. And this leads to people buying new pieces instead of taking care of what they already own. And it's so cheap that it's actually not worth taking care of. Large furniture like bookshelves tend to break when transported, so most people throw away their old furniture when they move, for example. And that's obviously bad for the environment and not good for your wallet either.
The same. And I've actually read in some forums online that the self-assembly really can be a problem for many people.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, many even said that it's the main reason why they don't shop at IKEA. Actually, I can't really.
No, it's not rocket science to assemble a
but it is
bookshelf.
Annoying.
It's annoying and it takes a lot of time.
Yeah. But yeah, that's what I read.
Yep. And then let's end this episode with the biggest disadvantage according to me. If you shop your furniture at IKEA, you own the same furniture as everyone else and your home will not be personal. And perhaps it's a bit childish, but I don't want to own the same sofa or dining table as my neighbor.
No, me neither. It's very boring.
Yeah. And this was our video about why IKEA furniture are so cheap.
Yeah.
Hope you found it interesting. And if you did, you should check out our previous videos. We have, of course, a lot of videos here.
About IKEA.
And other stuff.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.